Congratulations on selling your house, but aren't you curious of how much it costs? Selling your house is stressful, can be stressful. Packing, moving, new surroundings. But you want to know what's even more stressful? Not knowing what it's going to cost. Hi, I'm Chris Hyatt with Big Block Realty. Today we're going to show you exactly how much it costs to sell your home. When you know your closing costs up front, you'll be able to negotiate with the upper hand. You'll know exactly what your bottom line is going to be. The most important number is not what it sells for, surprisingly. It's the amount of money you put in your pocket when you walk away. One of the first closing costs you're going to see is that of title fees. And what that means is you're paying a title company to change the name on the property from who used to own it to now who's gonna own it. Wherever you buy property in the United States and Canada for that matter, there are going to be title fees. It's an inescapable fee. It's part of the process. The next fee you're going to see is a tax proration fee. And I learned through the stressful way of doing it myself what that means. You see this huge figure and you go, what is that? It's the amount of property taxes that are left unpaid during the period that is on the calendar for that calendar year that you, the homeowner, haven't paid yet. So what happens with proration is they calculate everything out on a per daily basis, and then they make sure that you pay up until the day that you close, and then the buyer pays from that day forward. So you just wash your hands, you're done, everybody is happy. Okay, so the next fee you're going to see is a transfer fee. And this is a county tax, usually calculated as a certain dollar-cent amount per $1,000 of purchase price. So that goes towards a bunch of different stuff in the county that your taxes go to pay for that come from property sales. One of the biggest line items you'll see on your closing statement or seller net sheet is going to be your loan payoff amount. So if you're lucky and you don't have much left on your loan, it'll be small. If you have more, it'll be whatever it is your unpaid mortgage balance will be. The next fee that you're going to see on your closing statement is if you decide to hire a realtor to help you through this Byzantine process, is going to be real estate commissions. And the seller pays for both the buyer and the seller side of commissions, and that gets split evenly between the buyer broker and the seller broker. When you go to buy a property, you won't have to pay anything. What's included in the realtor commissions on the listing side is everything that's needed to sell your home. All the activities in the pre-listing stage, photography, videography, drone photography, print marketing, internet marketing, all that stuff is all going to be covered on the listing agent side. And as well, it's going to include the split that the buyer's agent will receive as well. So all of that will be an all-encompassing total line item commission. Done. So you might be wondering, what's the summary? Summary is, what your walkaway looks like is, we have our sales price, and then we have all of your closing costs, including commissions, including your tax prorations, including everything, minus all of that, and that's your walkaway. In real estate, everything is based on percentages of sales price. So the higher the sales price of the home, the more the closing costs are going to be as well. If you'd like to get an idea of what it would cost to sell your home, please give me a shout. I'll be happy to give you a seller's net sheet, and you can see what your bottom line walkaway take home in your pocket is going to look like. I'm Chris Hyatt, Big Block Realty. Thanks so much for watching.